What's up, traveler?
We're your favorite travel guides. I'm Eka.
And I'm Tony.
And today we're in Dubai!
Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go!
Ang gagawin namin today is desert safari.
Yes, excited!
Yes. Ako medyo natatakot ako kasi mga mamaya masuka ako. Pero excited pa rin naman ako. And then sa gabi, we'll go to Global Village.
Yes, so susunduin kami ng driver namin at 7:30. It's currently 6:43. Yung breakfast sa hotel namin starts at 7. So, nag-aantay lang kami. Dito na kami sa baba para makapag-breakfast pa din kami. Dito kami ngayon sa labas ng hotel. We checked in at City Avenue Hotel. Na-room tour na namin yung first night. Super okay yung location niya. Kasi, dito, puro may mga restaurants. Madaming restaurants. Meron pa 24-hour restaurant. And super mura niya. Sa kabilang side naman ng hotel, ganun din. Madami ding restaurants na okay, may shawarmahan dyan. Dyan kami kumakain. May ate na Pinay na super bait. And then, two buildings away is a supermarket.
Grabe.
Yes. Wait. So, favorite namin talaga pag nagta-travel kami, nagbe-visit din ng supermarket. Kasi we realized, mura din doon bumili ng mga pampasalubong. You know, kung nasang country ka, yung mga snacks doon. And magaan siya sa bag. So, tsaka na-appreciate siya ng mga family namin na pinapasalubungan namin. Kasi they also get to try yung food doon. So, nung day 1 namin, doon kami sa 24-hour restaurant na 4 stores away or 4 shops away lang from our hotel kumain. Tapos sobrang mura niya, guys. Actually dito sa buong area, no? Ang mura niya. Yung kinain namin noon was
43
AED lang. And meron siyang sobrang daming biryani na hindi namin naubos. Nakain pa nung ni Jan, yung kasama namin. Nakain pa niya the next day. And then may buttered chicken and then roti. Tapos yung may binigay pa silang salad. Tapos ano lang siya, 43 AED. So ang mura. And then going around here, actually nag-download kami ng Careem. It's their ride-hailing app nila dito. From our hotel to Burj Khalifa, parang mga 20 to 25 minutes yung travel niya. We paid 50 AED. Tapos nung pauwi naman, kasi may mga nagsabi sa amin na mas mura daw mag-taxi. Nag-taxi kami pauwi. We paid actually roughly around the same thing eh.
47, 48.
Yun, 48. So, hindi namin sure ano talaga yung madali. Now, itong area namin, 2 kilometers away pa yung nearest train station. Pero, kung madami naman kayo, kagaya namin, 4 kami,
Sulit na mag-taxi or mag-Careem. So, kasi kung lalakarin yung 2 kilometers, kayo na. Good luck.
Or unless gusto nyo, kaya nyo. And isa pa pala napansin namin dito sa Dubai, guys, hindi mainit. Ay, mainit siya, pero hindi
masakit sa balat. Mas mainit pa sa Pilipinas. Ngayon na.
Right now, it's a good time to come here. It's April. So, yung comfortable yung ano niya, kahit tanghali, hindi siya ganun ka-init kagaya ng Pilipinas.
Ayun. And good thing, hindi kami naabutan talaga ng ulan dito or ng mga baha-baha. Wala nga traces.
Yes.
Kahapon tinitignan namin kahit yung mall. May mga part siguro na nakikita kami na parang may mga natuluan ng water. Pero sobrang okay na siya. Wala nang water kahit saan. Dito sa part ng Deira, sa Al Mutina, hanggang dun sa Burj Khalifa. Wala kami nakitang water.
Tsaka bilis bumangon ni Dubai, guys. Kasi sobrang hindi siya, wala talagang trace, parang walang nangyari ganun. So, good job sa inyo. So, dito kami nag-check-in sa City Avenue Hotel. We paid around 16,000 plus. So, na-room tour na naman namin yung nung day 1. Tingnan nyo yung first vlog. Kasama na yung breakfast. And the breakfast is super good.
Ay, ang sarap. As in, nag-enjoy ako sa cheese and milk nila.
Shakshuka, tapos yung mga bread, and
May
mga
olives, may salad,
Ang
may
sarap, may
fruit,
yogurt.
may yogurt.
Tinur ko na rin yesterday, so kasama na siya doon sa first vlog.
And I love the porridge. Sobrang
Oh,
sarap.
yes. Ang sarap niya. Tapos feeling ko they make it, ikaw bahala kasi kung savory or you want it sweet. Pero sobrang sarap ng porridge. So, yun, City Avenue Hotel. You can book this through Klook. And if you use our promo code,
Chub
Explorers,
Explorers,
you can get 5% discount on your booking. Tapos from the airport, coming here to our hotel, we also booked an airport transfer. And of course, we booked it via Klook. We'll put the link down below. Mabait yung driver, they message us. Kaya lang parang feeling ko dito, sa ibang bansa na nakapag-book na kami ng airport transfer, like in Taiwan and in Korea, the time of waiting starts when your plane lands. Binabantayan talaga nila yung oras ng pagland. And then yung sabi merong 1 hour na free wait time that starts when your plane lands. Kaya lang dito, parang nag-start siya magbilang dun sa actual landing ng plane na nakalagay sa yung publish. Pero syempre may mga delays. Hindi na na-consider yung delays. So pagdating namin, medyo akala ko galit na si Kuya. Mahilig lang pala siya gumamit ng exclamation point. Pero okay naman siya. Mabait naman siya. Nagbayad lang kami ng konting extra. Parang tip na rin sa kanya. But at the same time, parang surcharge fee. So yun. So if you want to book your airport transfer, book it via Klook. Get a 3% discount and use our promo code
Chub Explorers!
to get the discount on your booking.
And pagdating nyo dun sa immigration, paglampas nyo, bibigyan kayo ng SIM card. May laman siyang 1 gigabyte. 1 gigabyte ba?
Yeah,
Oo,
1 gigabyte na
So,
free.
oo. So, kung yung phone nyo, open line naman. So, pwede nyo siyang gamitin para at least meron kayong data from the airport to your hotel.
Kasi pagbalik sa'yo ng passport mo ng immigration officer, may kasama siyang SIM card.
SIM card.
So, nag-try kami mag-book ng packet wifi pero wala masyado silang ino-offer na ganun. And wala din kaming mahanap na SIM card na binibenta for Dubai, for UAE. Pero buti na lang yung network namin kasi naka-postpaid kami, 399 daily pag tinurn on mo yung roaming mo and it's for 24 hours. So si Globe, ganun yung data roaming charges niya. 399 daily and then okay na siya. So convenient naman. Yun na lang, in-on na lang namin yung roaming namin and yun na lang yung ginagamit namin.
So, kung kailangan nyo talaga, why not? Diba? 399 pesos.
Hindi ko lang alam sa prepaid. So research nyo na lang before coming here. Ito pa pala mga chabibis. Yung sumundo sa amin, airport transfer namin, Land Cruiser. Tapos, yung Karim namin, kahapon, yung papunta namin ng Dubai Mall, Lexus.
Ano? Ang saya.
Ang saya talaga. Parang feeling mo ang yaman-yaman mo.
Ayun, pero dito parang ano lang siya.
Taxi-taxi
parang,
lang.
Oo, natural lang dito sa Dubai.
Oo, parang let na bagay, gano'n.
Oo, ganon. Tapos, meron pa, Karim dan Tesla. Taxi!
Taxi! Taxi na Tesla! Yun lang, magbe-breakfast na kami. Baka dumating na yung, 7:30 pala dadating. So, this is City Avenue Hotel. Meron ditong mini reception. Breakfast is served right here. Pagpasok nyo. And the check-in reception is there. Desert safari time! We are on our way to the desert safari. And we have with us our good captain. So we booked this through Klook. If you also want to book your desert safari via Klook, you can use our promo code Chub Explorers to get the discount.
Australia.
Yeah.
They are my other kids from Philippines.
Yes. Nice to meet you guys.
Anyway, now you are all one family.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, nandito na kami sa Desert Safari Tour. Hahanap kami ng toilet kasi nawiwiwi kami.
So, bago tayo sumapak sa Desierto, CR muna.
Baka maihi kami nakakatawa sa kakakasigaw.
So, first stop natin here, I think dito mag-ATV. Let's see. Hey, we're gonna get a turban here.
I want black.
You want black? Okay.
Ayan. I want black. Thank you.
So we already got our turban.
Turban.
It's for 40 dirham each. And they put it on for you. So let's go ride the ATV!
Yeah, I'm so excited. Dandan lang.
So we're getting our helmet. We're about to ride our ATVs. Down here.
Okay, we're driving first. Okay. Yeah. No, brake is bottom brake, huh?
Both of the brake.
Yeah, bottom brake. After 20 minutes, change the seat.
Okay. Thank you.
Driving side. Yeah. Always
Careful,
hold the
ah.
camera, hold it.
Stop, 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 stop. So ano, ganito na tayo kabagal. Takot ka kasi ako yung nagda-drive. Oo. Mahulog ako. Fast and the Furious na tayo. So scared. You're laughing at us. Okay, I'm ready now. Okay.
Go!
Wala na maatrasan. Naiipit ako. Okay.
There. Yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
Let's go!
Bye.
Bye! Tandaan mo ka tayo tumumba! Love Explorers in Dubai! ngayon.
OMG!
Nagpapahinga kami. Ang sarap. Na nakakatakot. Actually, I'm thinking na I'm too old for this. Pero hindi.
Sobrang saya.
Saya. Nakakatakot lang yung mga pababa. Kasi nung una, isang ATV lang kami. Tapos siguro sabi, ang bigat namin dalawa, di kami makagalaw. Nag-offer siya na pahiramin kami nung isang ATV. Solo kami.
Yeah, thank you.
Ayun, saya! So, you should try Desert Safari with ATV.
Yes, super bad pa ni Kuya talaga to give me the yung isang ATV.
Oo.
Kasi nakita niya nahirapan kami dalawa.
Kasi bigat
Sobrang
mo, no?
bagal namin. Para kaming yung professor dun sa Minion. Then, super saya. And then, there are free drinks after. So, to hydrate. Kasi naman ito nakaka-hydrate pala.
Sobra. Thank you.
Okay, video. Yay! So after the ATV, we're gonna go camel riding. Let's go. Sobrang saya talaga nito. Priceless experience. Now we're gonna ride the camels. Huminto lang kasi nagpipicture si Kuya. Medyo struggle is real sa pagsakay. But all good. And kawawa yung camel pero sabi nila kaya naman niya.
daw kami. So go.
So, let's go. Ang bait niya, hindi siya gumagalaw. Nandun lang siya. Sobrang fun din itong experience na to. Sa new friend.
Camille. Charot.
Hi.
Hindi siya camera siya yun. Natin
Everybody ready? Yes. Okay. Are you ready?
How long have you been doing this? It's your first day at work? It's his first day at work, guys. Sobrang ganda! Oh, ano, ito ba hinahanap mo, Tony? Oh, here we go! This is better than Universal Studios! No. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Sir, who taught you how to drive? Wow. Grabe yung ride papunta dito.
Yes, si Sandern
As in,
Ride.
nawalan kami ng hininga.
Parang roller coaster na nakaano ka lang,
As
nasa loob
in.
ka lang ng sasakyan.
Mas malala siya sa roller coaster.
Kasi minsan ini-edge niya talaga na sobrang
Oo.
taas. Yun. Tapos ang bilis-bilis.
pero sobrang saya.
Oo,
Experience
masaya siya.
talaga siya.
You should try it!
Yes.
Chabre kami!
Yes. So right now, nandito kami kung saan sila
Sandboarding.
sandboarding. Pero ayaw namin kasi pagbaba kaya mo umakyat. Gusto ko pagbaba, sunduin na lang ako sa baba. So, ang hirap eh. With this experience, sobra talaga. One of a kind. So Rafa will go sandboarding.
Have a stand round. You are right, right?
Yeah.
So our tour package includes a photo shoot with our dear captain. Okay. Ay!
Super saya nitong experience na to talaga. Kahit di kami nag-sandboarding. They have
Because we are in the desert.
water. Wait. Ayan, for lunch, grilled half chicken, mixed fried rice. Ayan. So it comes with roti and hummus. So, ito lahat ng kinain namin dito, yung chicken, mixed fried rice, tsaka yung mga shake. It's for 53 dirhams. Sarap siya. Oo, nabagyo kami. Pero masarap siya. Pero may anghang pa rin, hindi namin mahanap kung saan nanggagaling. But it's really good. Kahit ano kainin namin dito, ang sarap-sarap.